So I am just telling you that my sister-in-law is called as a buyer of the fish from the sea, from our mananagat, mga kaibigan. So there is a big bluefin tuna, or yellowfin tuna, and the bluefin tuna right here. Yan. So we have a tuna here. It's all about 30 kilos each right here. So we have a bluefin tuna here. Yan. And also a different kind of tuna. It is a fresh. No, it's a freezer. And also here, matambaka that we called ay matambaka, guys, mga kaibigan. All my friends knowing this. And also here, it's called a bulinaw. I'm just kilaw-kilaw this last night. And also we have pusit here. Yan. But I cannot to eat this pusit, mga kaibigan. Oh. So there is a lot. And also here, it's called a flying fish or bangsi. No, it's a flying fish. They will fly and many others right here. So yeah, here. Here, it's called balo. Balo. I do not know what was the English of this. What is the English of that balo, mga kaibigan? For those people who are asking, so it is our place. It is the place of my biyanan. It is the place of my father and my sister-in-law, my father-in-law and my mother-in-law also. So here, it is called a bangka, or the pambot itself. No, right here. I'm just here to sleep before here in this our small bahay kubo here. And also